Okay guys, we drove 5.5 hours on a spare tire and we're still alive. We have 30 minutes left. We're trying to get to Omaha Airport, switch this car out, and then hopefully get to Louisville sometime today. We slept 3 or 4 hours at a rest stop because I was getting very tired. So the moral of the story is if you don't go over 55, 65, you can drive on a spare for 600 miles.
That's the end of our documentary.
Yeah. Was it the smartest thing I've ever done? Probably not.
The kids, they'll be here for Easter. We're gonna hang out. They're coming for my birthday, so I'm pretty excited. I get to spend some time with them and hang out. Yeah.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, we post content every Saturday, and we're excited that you guys come along with us. And we definitely appreciate all your guys' support. We can't wait until we catch you on the next one. So, like, subscribe, because I'm watching. Like, subscribe, show all your friends. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out.
On my way to pick up the kids so we can leave and go back to Kentucky for Houston's birthday and for Easter. So Houston's birthday is usually like either Easter some years, and like other years it's like 2 days, 3 days away. So we decided to just go back. Can't miss his birthday and we can't miss Easter, and that wouldn't be fair to Houston. So we're heading back. Let's hope everything goes good. So we're on our way back to Kentucky, and as soon as we got on the freeway, the tire to the rental car, I heard and I'm like, oh crap, and then it started flashing and it went down to 10 psi. So I limped my way over to a Big O Tires, and they said, do you want to spend $108 on a new tire, or do you want to drive on the spare? And I said, huh, what great options I have. Recorder.
Yeah.
So we're trying to make it to Omaha, Nebraska from Cheyenne, Wyoming. Oh my gosh. So we're trying to go to Houston's birthday's in 2 days, and then Easter. So we want to spend Easter and Houston's birthday with him. Houston's birthday is not tomorrow.
April 16th.
This is the 17th.
Oh, I thought it was the 16th.
Anyway, don't freaking scare me like that. This is terrible.
Right,
Okay. So the closest, my only options were to go to Denver, which we all know how Denver is right now. I will not be stepping foot in Denver. So our options were Lincoln, Nebraska. Lincoln, Nebraska doesn't open till 10. Or Omaha, Nebraska. Omaha, Nebraska opens at 5 a.m. So I guess I'm gonna take like a 3-hour nap and then go switch out the rental car if everything works.
Yeah, definitely.
So hopefully Carter stays awake, and
I'll stay awake for 3 hours if I get the tablet. Okay.
this is definitely not how. So we only have like, I think a month after this, and then we'll be back with Houston again. But yeah. Maybe it's this rental car. Maybe once we get out this rental car, I think the rental car's cursed. How about you? Never mind. We'll check in later. Okay guys, we drove 5.5 hours on a spare tire and we're still alive. We have 30 minutes left. We're trying to get to Omaha Airport, switch this car out, and then hopefully get to Louisville sometime today. Sometime today would be nice. Right, Carter?
Yes.
We slept 3 or 4 hours at a rest stop because I was getting very tired. I was very, very, very tired. So, yeah, we'll see how this goes. Never switched out a rental car. Houston and I attempted to switch out a rental car, in Southern California, but they gave us this lovely van that had like extremely crazy damage to it, so we will see what ends up happening. So we just got done eating lunch, got our new rental car, and that was fun. They made us clean the whole car out. Carter, what are you doing? You other lever puts the back down.
This one?
Yes.
That's not what I want.
Now you can grab her.
They said that if we didn't clean the van, or no, if we didn't clean the car, that they would charge us a $300 cleaning fee because the kids put chips in the back. They literally made us sit there for like 10-20 minutes and clean the back of it. She even gave us a trash bag. It's been a fun day. I'm tired. We're 4 hours away. What do you think Houston's gonna say when he finds out we don't have the car anymore?
Say bye.
So this is a blind reaction because I really didn't tell him that we got a flat tire, because then he would have been like, just stay, or just stay another day, and I was over it. I wanted to leave. I was done with Cheyenne for a little bit. Did you want to go back and get a different rental car later? We were both done. So the moral of the story is if you don't go over 55, 65, you can drive on a spare for 600 miles.
That's the end of our documentary.
Was that our theory that we tested, Carter? And
It said 70 miles. They were so dumb.
no, it was 50 miles. Supposedly you can only
push it.
You can only drive on a spare for 50 miles. I drove for 600.
Yeah.
Was it the smartest thing I've ever done?
It was so smart.
Probably not. But hey, we're alive, so.
Yeah, we're still alive, so we didn't do anything crazy. But guess what Ruben did?
And I'm ready to be done.
Ruben broke the glass at High Point.
Yeah. Flat tire, new rental car, driving on a spare for 600 miles. It wasn't fun. Let's see what Houston thinks of it when he sees the new rental car.
Can I have everyone's attention, please? We got a very special guest in the house tonight. This is my new friend, Houston. He's celebrating his 21st birthday. You guys want to help us out? We're going to give him a great big yee-haw on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you. Birthday, bro. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Finally got back home. Celebrated Houston's birthday. I was exhausted. I literally survived on 3 hours of sleep, I think.
Pretty crazy, for sure. But
I finally feel semi-human again.
yo, what's happening, everybody? Houston here with Rolling with Sanchezs, giving you a little update. Yeah, so we Easter, the kids, they'll be here for Easter. We're gonna hang out. They're coming for my birthday, so I'm pretty excited. I get to spend some time with them and hang out, and yeah, we're gonna take them. I'm gonna take them to the caves, show them around a little bit, and take them there, let them check out that. We have a train ride here at the KOA, so they're gonna get to ride on that and have some fun. Yeah, I mean, oh, and you gotta check out the place, Chubby Ninja. It's freaking amazing. That place is freaking sweet. And yeah, we're just gonna have some fun and enjoy our time together. If you don't know, go watch our previous videos to see what's happening and what we're up to, because we're rolling with Sanchezs, family of 6, and we get it done. Thanks, Mama.
Look here. Love you.
Love you.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Have fun.
Thank you. This is new to me. This
Okay,
info
bye.
stuff.
Okay, bye.
I'll give you guys a little update. It's been a rough few weeks, I think. Yeah, it's been pretty rough. This is the longest we've ever been apart as a family, but we're making it happen, you know, because we got some goals this by Christmas. We got some goals, so if you guys don't know what we're doing or what we are doing, just hit that follow button, give us a like, subscribe, show all your friends, because they'll be here for a few days and then they'll head back to Cheyenne and finish out what they got to do there. And yeah, it is what it is. We get it done, and we'll always make it happen. I want to say a big shout out. I want to give Olivia a big shout out, because yeah, she's been doing it on her own, and I'm blessed. I'm truly blessed that the kids have such a wonderful mom. I'm blessed that I have such a beautiful and loving wife, and that we are able to get this opportunity to do what we do. And yeah, we're gonna make the best of it, and I'll give you guys an update when they get here. Until then, like, subscribe, show our friends. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button, because we appreciate it. I appreciate it. Olivia appreciates it. The kids appreciate it. And yeah, it's just been tough, but we're making by, and Olivia's making by, and yeah, it's just, I miss her like hell, and I miss the kids like hell, and yeah, so they'll be here in a few days, and we'll get you guys some updated videos, pictures, and you guys are gonna have to check it out. So hit that follow button, watch, like, subscribe, show all your friends, share. Catch you on the next one.